Hello, guys, my name is Likesh Pulibandla. You're watching Tech Hub 24/7. In this video, I can show you how to get free followers and likes on Instagram. Before then, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Increase millions of real Instagram followers on your Instagram account in a few days. It is a very easy and time-saving process with the top follow APK. As you know, Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms today. First of all, you need to create a fake Instagram after downloading and installing the app. Link in the description box to download. It's available for Android and iOS both. After installation, you have to open the top follow app and click on the sign in with Instagram button. Then a login page will open in front of you. Now, enter the username and password of your fake Instagram account here. Only use a fake account for login. After entering the username and password in the below mentioned fields, click on the login button. After that, you will come to the application's dashboard. As I mentioned earlier, it is a coin-based application to get followers. First, you need to collect coins. To collect coins, just click on the start button, and coins will start gathering automatically. Apart from this step, want to collect more coins easily? If yes, follow the process. First, you have to click on the setting icon, which is shown on the above right side. Once the pop-up opens, just choose the free coins option from the pop-up. After that, you will come to this page. Now you have to choose the codes option. Then enter a secret code here, which is. Once you have entered this secret code here, just click on the send button. And you will get 500 plus coins. It is not a fixed amount. Sometimes you will get less or more, it depends on luck. From here you can also collect more coins. How? If you recommend friends to install this app on their mobile and share your referral code. Then you will gain 10% of the coins spent by your friend for each order. Once you have collected enough coins by following the above mentioned steps. Go to the followers option, which is given below, and enter the targeted username on which account you want to convert these coins into real followers. After that, select the number of real followers quantity according to the coins. After choosing, click on the yes button. After that, the followers count will start increasing instantly, as I mentioned above. This is my Instagram account. Now you can see followers increasing in seconds. If have any thoughts on this video, pick me on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. I can hope you share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Let us meet on the next video. Until bye. Keep supporting me.